name is Rob Camandona. I am the Whatcom Museum Foundation Board Treasurer, and I also help out with a little bartending here and there. And we are thrilled that 3 distilleries here in town have partnered with us to help present our virtual Speakeasy Soiree. And we are going to walk through in a series of videos how to make the drinks that have been suggested by the distilleries themselves. We're going to start with Chuckanut Bay Distillery. They have suggested that we serve a whiskey ginger highball. So let's get to the table and see how we're going to put this one together. We're going to start with a highball glass and we're going to fill it full of crushed ice. Now you can crush this in a towel. You can, I just used a bar towel, put the whole ice cubes in and used a little bit of a hammer. Actually, if you go to your local grocery store and check in with the meat and fish counter, usually they'll give you a bag of just crushed ice that would work perfectly in drinks like this. So, but I just did my own here. It's not going to be as slushy-like, but it will certainly do the trick. And I'm going to fill my glass full of this crushed ice. Okay, set that aside there. Again, we're going to use bourbon here. Now, the nice thing about Chuckanut Bay's suggestion is that they've actually gone through the trouble of putting a kit together that you can pick up the day of, the day before, and it's all done. So all the quantities are measured out. But if you like the idea of this and you don't make it down there, maybe you have Chuckanut Bay bourbon at home, it's 2 ounces. So roughly this bottle translates to 2 ounces. So we don't need to measure this, but if we wanted to, we could use our measure. We're just going to pour that in. This is going to have lime juice. They suggest using the half of 1 lime, or if you like it a little more tart, you can use a whole lime. We use a whole lime here. And I'm just going to have that on top. And they have supplied Reed's ginger beer. There's lots of ginger beers now that are being produced. If you are making it on your own, pick whatever you like. And then we're just going to top this off. And use our stir stick and just do a quick stir. And then included in the kit is some candied ginger, gingins. It's a little hard, the candy is, so we just used a paring knife to kind of put a little incision into it and then insert the toothpick. And I'm going to put that there. And there you have it, whiskey ginger highball. Cheers.